merger and acquisitions, investment law, banking and finance law. There are groundbreaking opportunities in these industries. Why? Because money makes the world go round. And the lawyers who work as deal makers, who grease these wheels so that they turn, are the ones who also make a lot of money. Some of the best paid lawyers in history are lawyers who do merger and acquisition, investment law work, and of course banking and finance law work. When there is a lot of money at stake, the people who really work on them also get to make money in the process. Do you want to start your career in merger and acquisition, in investment law or banking and finance law? And are you a law student or even a currently practicing lawyer who wanted to explore these opportunities but never found a way? Well, here is your chance. Over 3 evenings on a Saturday, Sunday and Monday, 6 to 9 p.m. on each evening, I am going to show you step by step what skills you need to learn to get an entry in this industry. How are you going to build a track record so that you can get the jobs of your dreams or even start your own practice in this area. And I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to show you how to get your own clients in this field of work. If you are interested, register right now. And I'm going to start sending you some fabulous reading material on your WhatsApp number so that you can prepare yourself for the bootcamp and come to the bootcamp ready to take advantage of everything we are going to teach you over 3 evenings. Register right now. See you on the other side.